presentation, I would be covering 4 headings. The first heading which I will be covering is valuable certification, which you can add into your CV. So people started asking me, Rena, have you paid some any money for getting certificates and all? All certificates which I have done for my record is completely unpaid. So you don't have to worry about payment and all. Every courses which I am covering today will be unpaid. So the first heading which I'm covering is valuable certification courses which you can add into your CV. The second topic which I'll be covering are some valid online license, which is like certain certificates which will be valid for a particular time period. For example, Google certification is for 2 years. Some other certifications you can get it for 1.5 years. So I'll be covering that particular heading. The next topic is online diplomas and professional certificates, which you can pursue freely through online mode. Then comes virtual internships. So the first heading, see, wait. The first heading which I will be covering is certification courses. So this is the first course which I would like to suggest to every one of you to do. Google Digital Unlock is an e-learning platform of Unlock platform. So in this platform, you can get certificates, that too without payment. So there are certain courses which you won't be getting a certificate, but you can pursue from this platform. So while searching for this Google unpaid course, you have to search like this: Google Digital Unlocked course. Then only you can find course. Okay. So this is one certificate which I have got from Google Digital Unlock, which is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. In this particular course, there'll be of 26 modules. After each modules, you will be taking an exam. For getting this certification, you have to get a minimum mark of 70%. Then only you'll be getting a certificate from this platform. So this is the first course which I would like to share with every one of you at Mido. Okay. Next course which I would like to explain is YouTube. Is from YouTube. So talking about YouTube, the e-learning platform is YouTube Creator Academy. In this particular like e-learning platform also, you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. Such kind of certification is very good for someone who has a YouTube channel. So it's for someone who has a YouTube channel and who likes to pursue some digital marketing courses. So this is also an exam based kind of course that you have to give an exam after completing the module. Then comes Microsoft. Microsoft also, like similar to Google, Microsoft also have certain courses which provide certificates and which doesn't provide certificates. So you have to make sure whether this course is providing you certification in the first phase itself. Because before entering the course, they will show you whether certification is provided or not. This particular course, which is Microsoft Advertising Certified Professional, provides certificates, that too without payment. So if you directly search in Google like Microsoft Advertising Certified Professional, you'll be getting a link where you can, okay, where that will directly take you to a platform where you can enter the course and pursue. This is also an exam-based course, and it is one of the most valuable online certification. Yeah. Then comes AWS. As you all know, Amazon's e-learning platform, it is AWS training and certification. So the one more thing I have told you in the starting itself, while you search in internet, you have to search like AWS training and certificates. So you cannot simply search Amazon online free certification. You have to search like this only, AWS training and certification. Then only you will be taken into a platform where, yeah, you can find all these courses. So the main attraction of AWS is that you don't have to give any exam. You just have to cover all the syllabus and do certain activities. That is one benefit of this particular website. And another benefit of doing from AWS is that you can attain a certificate that too within 5 minutes. The duration of the certificates ranges from 5 minutes to hours. So there are courses which starts from 5 minutes. This is an example of a certificate which I attained in just 10 minutes. You can see it in the screen. Yeah, the duration was just 10 minutes. Yeah, then comes Facebook Blueprint. Okay. Yeah. So, like AWS, Facebook Blueprint is a e-learning platform for Facebook. Here also, you don't have to give any kind of exam. You just have to do some activities for attaining certificates. So this is also one of the most valuable certificate which everybody can pursue in their free time. This is also a digital marketing learning platform of Cisco Networking Academy. This is an exam-based platform where you have to appear for an exam after completing the module. So here you can pursue either a technical course or a non-technical course. As I'm from an MBA background, I took entrepreneurship to enhance my CV. So you can pursue any kind of courses which you would like to enhance skills upon. Then comes HP. HP's e-learning platform is HP Live. Here also is similar to Cisco. The e-learning platform's name is HP Live. This is also an exam-based platform. After after completing each module, you have to give an exam and you have to attain minimum of 70% to get the certificate. And the benefit of doing such kind of course is that you don't, there is no time limit or anything for examination. You can attempt multiple times to gain certificates. Then comes Fair and Lovely Foundation. Now it's Glow and Lovely Foundation. When I was doing the course, it was Fair and Lovely. So this is in this platform, it's mainly grooming courses, which enhances your personality development and all. Yeah, this is mainly personality. They provide personality development courses. For example, grooming for retail career course. It was one course which I have done from there. So it is not a very difficult examination, but still it's an exam based kind of course. Yeah. Then comes L'Oreal. One thing which you have to keep in mind while doing course from L'Oreal is that you have to download an application in your phone before doing. If anybody has that particular application, which is L'Oreal Access, is there, it will be there in your Google Play and in Apple Store as well, which you can download it from there. And before accessing a particular course, you have to fill your personal information, and there will be an option of country to choose from. So one thing which you have to keep in mind is that India is not there in the option. So you have to choose a country where English is the native language, or else the entire course will be in that particular language. If you have chosen Turkey, then the entire course will be in Turkish. So that particular thing you have to keep in mind. While choosing the language, you have to choose some countries like USA or UK in order to make the course into English. So this is also an exam-based course. And yeah, this platform can be accessed to study a lot of beauty-based courses. It's mainly for women. And then comes Tata Consultancy Service. So this particular course was mainly designed for lockdown. Okay, lockdown. It is mainly a personality uh, management training kind of program where this particular program would be covering all this communication skills, presentation skills, soft skills. You can see in my certificates what are things they are covering. And there is no time limit to complete this particular course. And this is very useful for everyone. Then comes IBM. So if you want to pursue an online course from IBM, then IBM's e-learning platform is IBM Training. If you search IBM Training directly in net, it will take you to the platform where you can pursue such kind of courses. Then one more thing is that in this particular platform, there is no non-technical courses not there. Only technical courses are there in this platform. So yeah, if you're coming from an engineering background or a technical background, this would be an add-on to your CV. Then comes WHO. As you all know, the full form of WHO is World Health Organization. This is also an exam-based kind of course. After completing the module, you have to give an exam and you have to attain the minimum mark to get this certificate. Yeah. Then comes UNICEF. Similar to WHO, the pattern of attaining certification is similar. And yeah, it is an exam-based course, and it is also a medical-related kind of certification. Then comes United States Institute of Peace. This is a very added certificate which everyone can do. And talking about this particular certification, it is a peace building related course. The courses which is provided by this institution is related to peace building, which is an add-on to anyone coming from any background can pursue this course. Then I will be talking about some common e-learning platform: Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn. All these platforms are having an application which you can download in your phone. And some courses are paid and some courses are unpaid. For my record, I haven't pursued a single certification from these three platforms. All certification which I have pursued are from those MNCs and Microsoft and all. Yeah. Then comes the next heading, which is licensing. The first licensing which I would like to share it with every one of you is Tutor Flight School. So this is a license which you will be getting directly from Twitter. In this particular license, you will be covering like 5-6 modules. It's not modules, it's like 5 courses. After completing 5 courses, you will be given a badge where you can display it into your LinkedIn account and in your social medias and all. So it is mainly, it is more than a certification. It is a valid license for 1 year. After 1 year, you have to give the exam again. Then comes Hotspot Academy. This is also a digital marketing license, which is valid for 2 years. This is also unpaid. All courses and all license which I am covering today is unpaid, completely unpaid. You don't have to worry like you're getting a certificate from Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. You have to pay some money. It's nothing like that. There are courses which you don't have to pay anything for getting certifications. So in HubSpot Academy, it is also an exam based, which takes around 2 hours to complete this particular course. Yeah, after 2 years, you have to appear for the exam again. Then comes Google licenses. So one license which I took from Google was YouTube content ownership. So there are many licenses provided by Google. So some licenses you won't be getting a certificate. So before starting the particular license, you have to make sure whether certification is there or not. Because in the starting itself, it will be shown like whether certification is provided or not. So this is a 1.5-year valid license that anybody can obtain this. Then comes Samrush Academy. Samrush Academy is also a digital marketing certification platform. It is in this particular platform, you don't have to cover any kind of modules and all. You have to give the exams directly, and you have to attain a minimum of 70% to get the certificate. But this is also a valid license which of 1 year. Then comes online diplomas. As you all know, Amity is a well-known university in North India. Yeah. So the online platform of Amity University is Amity Future Academy. In this particular academy, they provides you a diploma. Yeah, but it is an exam-based kind of course. It is more valuable than any kind of certification because you are getting a diploma, and here you can see a ULR. So a person whoever scans your ULR can make sure that it is a valid license, it is a valid certificate. Then comes European Open University. This is also a platform there you can get diplomas and certified professional program. Here also you can see ULR, so anybody can confirm its validity. Then comes virtual internships. So talking about virtual internship, I would like to share one particular platform which can be accessible for everyone, which is 4Age. In this particular platform, there are many MNCs which you can pursue virtual internship from. So some example of good companies are Deloitte, Accenture, Microsoft, KPMG, Citibank, and GE. Okay. So mainly what you have to do is that you have to do certain task which is provided by these companies, which is not so hectic. Anybody can do those tasks. And one important benefit of this virtual internship is that if there is no time limit to complete your task, you can do it at any time. Only after completing it, you will be getting a certificate. Then comes Internshala. Internshala, as everybody knows, it's a platform where you'll be getting internships. Yeah. So one particular benefit of Internshala is that after selection of certificate of selection is being provided by Internshala even before completion of internship. That is one benefit of joining Internshala. If you are selected by a company, you will be getting a certificate at that particular moment, that too without completing the internship. And after completing the internship, you will be getting a, exact internship certificate from that particular company. In this certificate, you can see I was selected for social media marketing by Elegance Tips, but unfortunately I was not able to join for that program. So yeah, that's how I rejected that offer. So I'm not able to show you the internship certificate of that company. Yeah, this is something.